We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and today I'll show how you can format an SD card inserted into this ieGeek ZS-GQ2 Security Camera. So if you would like to wipe the memory card clean, the memory card that is inserted into your security camera, you'll need to first launch the ieGeek Cam app. Next, find your camera, open its settings. Here, tap at the recording management. And at the bottom of the page, you'll find a very convenient format button. So tap on it, confirm your choice, and now wait for the formatting process to be finished. And once it will, your SIM card, or excuse me, your SD card, your memory card will be as good as new. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.